Ready to turn your BNB into cash or other crypto assets? Let's dive right into how to sell BNB directly within your Coinbase wallet. First, open your Coinbase Wallet tab and make sure you're on the main screen. You should see a list of your crypto holdings, including BNB. If you don't see it, you may need to import your wallet or add BNB as a visible asset. Tap on BNB in your asset list to go to the BNB details screen here. You'll see information about your BNB balance and transaction history. Look for the trade or convert button. It might be an arrow in a circle. Tap Add button to start the process of exchanging your BNB. Now you'll see a conversion screen. In the top section, make sure BNB is selected as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. In the bottom section, choose what you want to exchange it for. You can typically choose another cryptocurrency like Ethereum or USDC, or depending on your region, even a fiat currency like USD. Enter the amount of BNB you want to sell. You can either type it in directly or use the percentage buttons like 25%, 50%, 75%, or max to select a portion of your BNB holdings. Next, you'll see a preview of the conversion. Carefully review the estimated exchange rate, the network fees, and the final amount you'll receive. Pay very close attention to the fees to avoid any surprises. If everything looks good, tap the confirm button to finalize the transaction. Remember that network fees can fluctuate, so the final amount might vary slightly from the preview. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see a confirmation screen. You can then track your transaction on the blockchain and view your updated balances in your Coinbase wallet. Remember to regularly review your portfolio and keep an eye on market trends to make informed decisions about your crypto holdings.